Thanks for joining. I'm Letecia, the Product Marketing Manager for your vendor risk solution. Every 6 minutes, a new regulatory change rolls out somewhere in the world. It's a powerful reminder of how fast the business landscape is evolving in response to risk. But while others are scrambling to react, your modern security team is already ahead. Because with vendor risk, you're not just keeping up, you're leading with the grid. Today, we'll walk you through the latest updates, all built to push your program further. We've grouped them into 3 pillars. Number 1, assessment precision at scale. Number 2, AI that augments with a human in the loop. And number 3, risk translated for everyone. Let's start with assessment precisions at scale. When every vendor is sent the same questionnaire, clarity is often sacrificed for the illusion of efficiency. Low-risk vendors get over-assessed, high-risk vendors fall through the cracks. That's why we've introduced template control sets for the security profile, to bring structure without the strain. Now you can preset the right controls and checks based on vendor tier, criticality, or engagement type. Set once and they're automatically applied across your vendor ecosystem. And if you're not sure where to begin, use our default template, built around best practice tiers for a robust, risk-aligned foundation. And while we streamline how you apply controls, we've also improved them too. The security profile control family has been improved to sharpen scope coverage, provide cleaner terminology, and tighter domain mapping to ISO 27001 and NIST CSF frameworks. We've increased the number of checks from 211 to 395, unlocking deeper visibility and more confidence in what's covered. And with templated control sets now built in, that added depth doesn't add complexity, just sharper, smarter assessments you can trust on your own terms. Plus, by quarter's end, you'll also be able to assess against ISO 27001 and NIST CSF individually within the security profile, seeing each map control side by side with the original framework language. For organizations that need to adhere to these frameworks, that means tighter alignment with internal policies, clearer audit trails, and faster stakeholder reporting. And yes, more security frameworks are on the roadmap. Now, onto the second update, AI that augments with a human in the loop. Your AI risk analyst is now front and center, embedded directly on the vendor summary page to give you an always up-to-date view of vendor posture, surface risks, and recommended next steps. From the moment monitoring begins, you're getting real-time context, prioritized issues, and guidance you can act on. And that's just the start. The AI risk analyst will continue to evolve over time, pulling in grid intelligence from across the broader UpGuard platform. Finally, the third update pillar, risk translated for everyone. Knowing where a vendor stands is only half the job. You still need to explain it clearly, articulately, and in a way that resonates with stakeholders. Your business owner just wants a decision. Your execs want a fast read on the risk. Your auditor wants to see all the evidence. Instant risk assessment started as a way to skip the blank page. Now it can also help you skip the back and forth, delivering tailored, audience-ready insights in seconds. With preset conditions or custom prompts, you can instantly generate AI risk assessment commentary to suit any audience. Want a formal audit-style write-up? Done. Need something lighter for an executive briefing? Sorted. Or maybe your boss insists every report is written in Galactic Basic. Welcome to the dark side. We've also added automatic conclusions, improved formatting, and clearer evidence citations. So the output is not just faster, but sharper and more credible. And it still takes less than 60 seconds to generate. Beyond the headline shifts, we've also shipped a range of smaller, high-impact enhancements designed to remove the friction, clarify workflows, and reduce manual effort. For example, you can now mark individual questions as required across both custom and pre-configured questionnaires, so vendors know exactly what needs to be answered before they hit submit. The questionnaire builder has been refreshed with a new overview section, giving you an upfront breakdown of questions and potential flagged risks. Validating vendor evidence is faster, thanks to a redesigned security profile viewer that makes it easy to scan documents, review metadata, and confirm what's been shared. And we've rolled out a new tool that automatically sources vendor evidence on an ongoing basis, adding over 300 new documents every month. That's taken us past 1,500 publicly sourced documents for 150 plus most monitored vendors, with some security profiles now up to 80% complete. 100% of the improvements I've shared today began the same way, from direct customer feedback. But what they add up to is something bigger, a shift in how modern cybersecurity gets managed. From smarter scoping to sharper AI insights and tailored stakeholder-ready reporting, your tools are evolving to match the speed and scale of modern risk. If you'd like to learn more about anything we've covered today, reach out to your UpGuard contact or customer success manager. Thanks for joining and for continuing to shape the future of vendor risk with us.